Ooh. I guess you're just gonna get my steering wheel in this. I didn't have much time to pack a lunch today, cause usually I do that. What vibrated? Usually I do it at night, but yesterday was just like a crazy day. I was trying to get my videos edited and up and everything. So in my keto crate that I get, I got this ketogenics keto meal thing. So I'm gonna try this. It's 150 calories. It is 8 total carbs, 5 net carbs, 10 protein, 10 fat, and it just says you put it in some chilled water. So I have 8 to 10 ounces of water here, and I'm gonna put that in there and shake it up, and that's gonna be my lunch, along with a little packet of performance nut butter, which if you haven't seen it already, you guys, I will link it in the description box below. I'm so excited. They actually did a article on me, and I'm really honored and kind of flattered, and just I have all the feels about it. And I will be doing a giveaway later with this, so you can also enter to win win your own 10-pack of performance nut butter. I'm doing that giveaway on my Instagram account with them and their Instagram account, so there'll be a video dedicated to that. But I just wanted to share that. So that's what's for the lunch today, guys. All right, guys, happy Monday. It is Monday, May 20th, and today for dinner I'm having a taco salad. It's 1 cup of 80/20 ground beef, seasoned with my own seasonings, 1 serving of the garden salad from Aldi, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of salsa verde, 1 baby portobello mushroom, 1 green onion, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and then about a teaspoon of these spicy hemp hearts that I got in my keto crate a couple months ago. That's it. Hey guys, hey, it's Tuesday. This is what I'm having for lunch today. I have 5 ounces of tuna fish with 1.5 pickles and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I have 2 tablespoons of my French onion dip that I like to dip my veggies in, with 1 ounce of shredded cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, 41 grams of radish, and 107 grams of celery. This is what I'm having. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and this is what's for dinner. It's another cheeseburger salad. I ran out of sugar-free ketchup, so this is just 2 tablespoons of mayo, about maybe close to a tablespoon of mustard, 1 serving of the Aldi just like garden salad, which is like about 1.5 cups, which this wasn't even that. This was like maybe 1 1/4 cup. And then 1 cup of ground 80/20 beef that is seasoned like hamburger meat, if you watched my meal prep video in last week. And then 2 servings of the sliced pickles. And then I was really craving some like cauliflower and broccoli, so I just cut up what I had left and I steamed it up and I seasoned it with some everything but the bagel seasoning and a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. So that's what's for dinner. Did I say lunch? Dinner. This is what is for dinner tonight, Tuesday, May 21st. Hey guys, hey! What day is it? It's Wednesday. I'm cold. It's not raining anymore. It was raining. So this morning I had a performance nut butter. There's a giveaway going on my Instagram. It is going until the 28th or the 26th. I will link it below in the description box if you have not already signed up and entered to win a 10-pack. These are freaking amazing. I had one for breakfast. I brought another one. I don't know if I'm going to eat it, but I brought it. It's 3 net carbs for that whole thing, and it's just made with coconut, macadamia nut, and cashews, and it is delicious. Other than that, I have 2 ounces of cheddar cheese with 1 ounce of these spicy dry Italian salamis from Aldi, with altogether 1 tablespoon of Philadelphia cream cheese with everything but the bagel seasoning sprinkled on top, and 5 ounces of tuna fish with 1 tablespoon of Hellmann's mayo. I didn't put any pickles or anything in it. That's all I got, guys. And some water. I've been drinking a lot of water today. Water, water, water. I've not been drinking too much lately. I really need to step that up. I got some batteries for my scale, and I'm still at 242. I don't know what's going on. I do not know. I'm just gonna stick to basics for the rest of this week and try not to eat anything that's not that is questionable, and avoid all sweeteners except for the regular ones that I usually put in my coffee that I know don't kick me, and see what's going on, because I mean, something is going on. Something is going on. So that's it for today, guys. See ya at dinner. Alright, guys, this is Wednesday night, May 22nd, and this is what I'm having for dinner. I've already eaten 2 shrimp, so there's 3 more left. So that's 1 serving of shrimp. I have 2 ounces of chicken and a 5-ounce steak. And then I have already eaten 1 broccoli and 1 cauliflower, or 2 broccolis and 1 cauliflower. So then I just have that left over. And I use these seasonings from Fresh Jacks. They were kind enough to send me out a sample. I'm doing a video on that, so I tried these 3 tonight. This is on my steak, the Keto Chop House steak seasoning. It's really good. And then I put this burger seasoning on the broccoli and the cauliflower, and then the Bold Bayou. I can't say this word, Bayou. The Bold Bayou Cajun seasoning I put on the shrimp. I'm very, very impressed with these seasonings so far, you guys. You'll see a video on that. But yeah. Oh, my son, he's already scarfed down his shrimp and steak. He really liked it. Hey, guys. Hey, it is Thursday. And I did bring some chicken and broccoli, but I'm going to eat that for dinner. Instead, I went and got a double stack from Wendy's, plain, no bun. So it looks like there's just some lettuce and onion. I'm not going to eat the lettuce or onion. And then I got the half chicken parm salad. Look, they give you these little Parmesan crisps. And it's just chicken. It's really good. I really enjoy that. So because Wendy's is so far away, I only have 15 minutes to eat now, and I'm starving. So short vlog. Hey guys, hey, this is dinner tonight. This is, what is today? Thursday, May 23rd. This is dinner. It is 4 ounces of chicken tenderloins, 3 cherry tomatoes, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese block, 54 milliliters 54 milliliters of ranch, and then 1 serving of the Aldi garden salad. I feel like there was something else. Oh, there were 2 chives, and I guess that's it. Yeah, I guess that's it. And I seasoned the chicken with these Fresh Jack spices that I was sent in the mail, and I topped my salad with this Keto Chop House. It's steak seasoning, but it's also for chicken, pork chops, kebabs, grilled veggies, etc. So it sounded good. So I already tasted the chicken, and I also put this on my eggs this morning, the toasted onion. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, guys. Hey guys, it's Friday. This is my first technical meal of the day. I had some Parmesan crisps at the movie. I took the boys to go see Detective Pikachu, and that's all I ate today so far besides my coffee. So this is my first meal of the day. It is 6 o'clock at night. I'm really not even hungry. I could go longer without eating, but I thought I might as well just eat. So this is just a taco salad with some spinach.